Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account that Google Photos uses. This matters because Photos inherits the Google account email. Sign into Photos. Google.com or the Photos app, then open your Google account settings. Once done, make sure you can access the current primary email and any recovery methods, phone, backup email, or authenticator, because changing the Photos email usually means switching accounts rather than editing a single field. This prevents lockout and preserves photo access. Next, add or switch to the Google account you want to use with Photos. On mobile, go to Settings Accounts, Add Account, then Sign In. On desktop, use the Profile menu to add another account. Once added, open Google Photos and select your profile photo to switch accounts. Make sure you enable backup and sync for that account because photos belong to the signed-in account. Syncing verifies uploads and keeps your library intact as you transition. Finally, transfer content and finish the migration. For full libraries, use partner sharing or share albums and save copies into the new account. This preserves metadata and edits. Confirm device backups, purchases, and shared libraries now reference the new account. If you encounter missing photos, sign back into the original account to ensure sync completed, check trash, and verify backup and sync was enabled. If problems persist, revoke and re-grant account permissions, then resync to force a fresh transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.